Hello, I'm Spencer with 425 Consulting, and in this video we are going to discuss more about payment journals. First, we're going to be discussing exporting bank files. In order to do this, when we are on the payment journals page, we're going to go to Actions, Functions, and Generate EFT files. This will allow us to select from an entire list of accounts that we have flagged for EFT files, or electronic fund transfers. From here, we will select all of the accounts and then generate EFT files. Once this has been generated, it will create a file that can then be sent to the banking institution to allow the transfer of those funds. Next, we're going to be discussing printing and voiding checks. In order to print a check or void a check, we need to go to Business Central's Payment Journals, select the account we wish to create the check for. From here, we're going to click on the check button and then print check. This will open up a window pane that allows us to select our settings for our check and then print it. Additionally, we can select send to create a digital copy of that check, which we can send to ourselves, clients, vendors, or whoever may need it. When you decide to void a check, same process, you're going to click on check and then void check. Once selected, it's going to bring up the check that has already been printed for this vendor. From there, you will simply void the check, which will nullify it out, and then you can reconcile that voided check. Additionally, when creating checks or EFTs, there are a couple of settings that must be configured within your accounts. Once you have selected which account you're going to make a payment for, you need to scroll over to your payment method and select either bank, check, or whichever payment method is appropriate. Additionally, you need to slide over even further to your bank payment type. For checks and EFTs, this must be selected to whichever setting is applicable to the payment you are making. This concludes segment 3 of Payment Journals. Thanks for watching.